Yo, chào mừng, what's up các bạn? Chào mừng các bạn tới với kênh Trái Tim Hồng, được thành lập vào ngày 12 tháng 12 năm 2023 nhé các bạn. Bây giờ để mình vào STUH để mình coi thử là ngày nào mình thi, coi thử cái lịch thi môn F1 chứng chỉ Association of Chartered Certified Accountant ACCA của mình nha các bạn. Lịch thi, người học có mặt tại phòng thi trước giờ thi 15 phút, người học xuất trình thẻ sinh viên, học viên, người học thực hiện đúng quy chế và hướng dẫn của cán bộ coi thi. 2023 học kỳ cuối tên lịch thi lần 1 13 tháng 12 năm 12 tháng 12, ngày mai 2 giờ chiều mình thi nha các bạn. Nghỉ 14 15 16 thi, 16 nghỉ, 17 16 là thứ mấy, 16 là thứ bảy các bạn, nghỉ chủ nhật, thứ hai thứ ba thi tiếp. Cái Phương cô B2 B2 kinh tế vi mô B1 B2 601 B1 704. Giờ qua ICCA Study Hub tiếp tục học chương Financial System and Internal Controls, IT in accounting, IT security and technological advantages, practice, financial system and internal control, requisition order and invoice all relate to which accounting system. Đây là sales nha các bạn. A monthly bank reconciliation is an example of which of type of control, category, corrective control, detective, preventive. Monthly bank reconciliation. Đối chiếu ngân hàng hàng tháng thì là chắc là corrective đó các bạn. Detective đó. An organization can use software audit trails and data encryption to improve data security through who should maintain a sound system of internal control. The audit committee, the risk committee, the board of directors. In context of internal control, which of the following best describe the control environment? The application of risk assessment procedures, the cascading communication and enforcement of integrity and ethical values, the implementation of appropriate information system and controls, the attitude, awareness, and actions of management. Under which internal control component should be management witness letters received from the external auditors be classified? Should be the should be the management witness letter received from external auditors be classified under which internal control component should the management witness letter received from external control activity, control environment, monitoring controls, risk assessment, monitoring concerns, receiving feedback that controls are operating as intended. The management letter is a part of this feedback. It is the duty of the board of directors to maintain a sound system of internal control through the support of sound system internal control. Internal auditors are responsible for the prevention of fraud through clients' money held by professional accountants is an asset of the accountant's firm until it is used instructed by the client through true or false. Huh? Is not responsible for the prevention of detection of fraud. Is the director's client money always belongs to the client and must be accounted for separately. clients là khách hàng. A listed company fully complies with the requirements of the stock exchange and the corporate governance code of its jurisdiction. What component of internal control does the company's actions best represent? Comply with fully complies with the requirement of the stock exchange and the governance code of its jurisdiction. Control activities, control environment, the attitude, awareness, and the actions of the board of directors and management. Which of the following is the purpose of internal control? To provide reasonable assurance that company can achieve its objective, to ensure that all operational accounting is totally accurate, to eliminate all risk arising from fraud and other criminal acts, to validate the financial statement of the company as a result of true and fair view. Which of the following is the purpose of internal control? Provide reasonable assurance that company can achieve its objective. A system used by company to record sales and purchases is an extension with the following: transaction management information system and office automation, a decision support, and office automation management information system, transaction processing system. Chapter 22 các bạn, sắp hết rồi. IT in accounting, IT security and technological advances. Spreadsheets, use of IT in business, computers and software are widely used in business accounting. Business organization use computer equipment, desktop computer, laptop or tablets. Spreadsheets, cho nó summarize giùm mình các bạn. Giờ mình kêu con ChatGPT nó summarize cho mình các bạn. Computers and software are widely employed various computers. Spreadsheet, depending on communication system used, the IT system used by business may be called local area network, wide area networks, or intranets. The use of cloud-based package hosted on the internet is increasingly prevalent and offers the flexibility of being accessible from anywhere in the world. This enables globalized operations. The software used in accounting system may be specially written, but software packages purchased from a software supplier are also widely used. Spreadsheets, many managers, not just accounting managers, use spreadsheets. A spreadsheet is a table of rows and columns up that make up boxes or cells. Each cell can be filled with text, a number, or a formula. Accountants can use spreadsheet to construct many types of table. Sometimes will be used to enter numbers but formulate or insert it into other cells and calculate a value for a number to go into that cell from later other cells in a spreadsheet. Summarize spreadsheet are practical for many tasks, including constructing numerical tables with text, budgets, forecast, accounting statements. Google đi, Google với lại qua bên đây lấy cái bảng Excel code sim luôn, qua bên Google, qua bên YouTube với lại Point switch account at T12 Double đọc số đây vô quy gì đây new file upload thần dịch nha dịch đại chuối thần file upload download 0123 enter switch account view on channel nặng chuối thần create code sim 08 YouTube enter vô tên profile đăng nhập qua đây trà bảo nam sa làm sao gì đây vô luôn sim có chưa có tôi đồng ý xong YouTube tôi drive personal có sim chưa có luôn kìa đậu xanh khó chịu như vậy chuyển đến drive YouTube hôm nào rồi ngoài hành lang đâu sim có rồi băng qua đây bùm bùm tên này tên gì du lịch thế giới thế giới là ngày làm sau hạnh phúc sau khi từ nhà hạnh phúc về quăng vô new file upload download 7 7654 new file upload du lịch thế giới enter code vô qua bên này chuối thần để mà switch account nặng chuối thài 2345 new folder nặng chuối thần ok qua bên đây content create upload video select file 0123 enter create upload video select files video YouTube 25k ngải chuối thần click vô xong rồi nha các bạn bây giờ mình sẽ vô setting nè channel feature eligibility nè rồi vô code sim mình sẽ mình số điện thoại các bạn ơi 5 cục này bộ 5 cục này kéo vô share anyone with the link, copy link, done. Qua bên bản sao này, quăng vô drive, Control V qua đây, lấy sim, quăng vào đây nữa là xong. Edit graph, có gì? Next, it's not made pocket. Continue. Google, YouTube, search tới YouTube, tiếp tục edit graph, chú thần, publish, create, upload video, select files, du lịch thế giới, next, no it's not made for kids, publish nó luôn, ok, close cái này đi, share bộ link của cái này luôn, quăng qua đây lấy code sim, qua bên đây lại, setting, channel, feature eligibility, Control V vô get code, my drive, new, du lịch thế giới, kéo 5 cục quăng vô, qua bên code sim, lấy, xong, xóa code sim đi, qua đây, submit, xong, get share bộ link của thằng này luôn, quăng qua đây, get share bộ link, chia sẻ thằng này đi, everyone the link, copy link, done, xong, chịu thanh toán, tô vàng 2 ô này lại, xong 2 ô này, ok, đã xong hai kênh các bạn ơi, quá nhanh quá nguy hiểm luôn, edit graph, thành kỳ, next, it's not made for kids, yet net, publish luôn, thiếu một bit rồi, edit graph, publish là công bố nha các bạn, create, upload video, select files, 7654, enter, ok, sắp xong rồi. Budget, forecast, accounting statement, performance reports, one of decisions like investing in a new factory or adopting a new accounting system. Hai, qua databases. The database is a large file data or collection of information. A file of customer information is a database. It is managed or controlled by the database management system. Database management system is the shell around the database which controls the organization, storage, retrieval, security, and integrity of data. The database management system is the data to be stored independently in the application of using the data. Thus, any application can request data from database via database management system based on specific identifier, field name, customers. Mình đã quay được 19 phút 19 luôn các bạn. Input data, user queries, data files, database management system, software. Mà bây giờ mình lại tải về nữa thôi. Lại vô cái lúc rồi vô. Còn nó nói gì thì chịu thôi. Cho tiền thì mang được hết. Chịu thôi, chịu mày nó. Typical functions of database management system include data security, protection from unauthorized access, viewing and editing data integrity, ensuring that only one user can update a record at any one time, and records remain unique. Interactive query language and report writer allowing users to interrogate the database. These essential components give user access to all information as needed. For example, business organization may have database for all customers, may is input data is an input into the database so that the file continually updated at any time. If someone wants to obtain information from database, it can be obtained by searching files through queries. Information on database can be also used for different processing requirements for various applications. This means that one set of master file is needed for all the users within the organization, such as accountants, marketing, sales, and management colleagues wanting to use the information for the particular purposes. The advantage of databases is that there's a single central file containing all the required data. Key features of database: common shared data, online access, data analysis, accounting software packages. Accounting software can be bought from software supplier. Cái này thì cứ copy qua Google dịch cho nhanh gọn các bạn nhé. Không cái một cái toán có thể mua từ có một mèo có một cái người cái tính năng có thể và quy trình ghi lại cái gì cái toán cho nên producer và document hồ sơ. Thông thường một cái toán bao gồm model tích hợp khác nhau. Cái sau là model can be used on computing models. Ví dụ một cái tích hợp model tổ chức kinh doanh thì lúc đó có thể bị chọn một ứng dụng hệ thống. Nếu họ có nhận model tương ứng và sắp xếp và xử lý các thuật toán từ bảng lương and accounting for payroll. Các môn kế toán khác chẳng hạn như receivable ledger, các khoản phải thu, sổ các phải trả, sổ các chung, hệ thống kho, sổ quỹ tiền mặt. Cash book and non-current may be included in integrity benefits of accounting. Lợi ích cung cấp phần mềm kế toán. Các kế toán cung cấp hệ thống tài chính được tạo sẵn cho các tổ chức không đủ khả năng chi trả một phần của mình thông tin. Chúng là một giải pháp thay thế cho thủ công kế toán có thể sử dụng bởi nhân viên tài khoản chứ các kỹ năng phân biệt thông tin hạn chế. Are designed for use by non-experts. They are widely used versus adopted. Must be found. Other businesses use them, so any it's modify records for customer. It costs much less by accounting than a developed bespoke system. Bespoke là kiểu hệ thống riêng. Hai, continue IT security risk, unauthorized access. The risk is that an unauthorized party gains access to the IT system and its files. Hacker, loss or destruction of data. Service disruption, loss of IT service either from the local network or the cloud. Hai, continue need for IT controls, input, files of data, processing, output. Input controls are needed to check that data input to the IT system is correct. Processing controls to ensure that items are processed correctly and completely. Controls may include controls to check the software before it is used on live data to remove errors in the programming. Files and data controls to protect file data. They contain most of one control is produce backup copies of critical files at regular intervals. Output controls to reduce the risk of information being released to unwanted recipient. Higher security measures controls over physical access, so measures may be taken to restrict access of computer terminals and to authorized personnel, usernames and password, firewalls, antivirus software, the files, disaster recovery plan. A disaster recovery plan is a strategy for developing events such as fire which damages company's record and equipment. It may involve storing these in any alternate location with backup files. Encryption. Encryption là mã hóa hết á. Mã hóa, quy trình làm cho bất kỳ dữ liệu dữ liệu, cho nên không thể có được. It can be read only by using the decryption. Bằng cách giải mã, nó ngăn chặn việc truy cập dữ liệu, cho phép dữ liệu được truyền hoặc lưu trữ. Antivirus, anti-software company central management and use of data install cho việc backup careful deployment of software and soft training. Either failure to deal with power blackout at the local electricity station. Field backup electricity generator at ID Central. Risk to data and files from introduction of malware. Install antivirus. Risk of entering incorrect data in transaction records for processing the account system. Basic data validation check any accounting software. Risk of corruption data get backup. Risk of unauthorized use. Logical access control usernames and passwords. General controls. Controls in an IT environment can be divided into controls as a term main interest. General IT controls apply to all IT activity and entire computer system. Application controls apply specific application program and application system. An application is used for a particular operation or activity, such as bookkeeping system, general organizational and management. Application. With the on IT department, then with more other system. However, my hair will hair Yok không con recovery control, access controls. New software development. When a large organization has its own IT department producing a software, there must be internal controls. When file require change to software, post development is approved, software is developed, use of software and authorized software is completed. Continue application controls. Application apply to the specific IT program. Input processing output. Master file. Checklist. Data validation check on batch total checks. Spelling checks. Access control to specific application. Data validation checks. Audit trail. Run check item data ensure that the item's value within specific range. Existence. Items have a code number that exists and so is acceptable. Automatic processing can make it difficult to track whether transactions are processed correctly after they have been entered into the system. An audit trail is a log of all the actions performed on the data and will provide management and audit with a clear understanding of what processing has been done to the data. Computer system should provide an audit trail for transactions so that checker can trace the transaction through the computer system to see how the transactions has been processed. External auditors use software auditor to assist their work for auditing computer systems such as unit test data. Cloud computing, the use of services providing by remote server hosted by third party through the internet. Providers typically offers a service solution. Customer pay for services via an ongoing subscription that rather than making an outright purchase. Popular services include software as a services. Its benefits of cloud computing: cost-effective system, flexible and scalable system, effective system security, operational efficiency, providing around-the-clock real-time access to system and data. Many accounting software packages now provided in the cloud. Many cloud systems are also accessible using smartphone apps, having up-to-date 24/7 data access is changing nature of accountancy. For example, in some organizations, the monthly reporting cycle is being phased out. Ok, tạm biệt các bạn nha. Kênh này là kênh Trái Tim Hồng được thành lập vào ngày 12 tháng 12 năm 2023 nha các bạn. Tạm biệt các bạn. Bây giờ mình ngủ đến mai mình đi thi.